Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to connect Apple CarPlay Nissan Sentra 2023. Start by unlocking your iPhone and enabling Bluetooth and Wi-Fi, then plug in a certified Lightning cable into the Sentra USB port if you prefer wired CarPlay. If your Sentra supports wireless CarPlay, keep the phone near the center console. Open the CarPlay prompt on your iPhone and accept the connection to finish pairing quickly and safely. Begin by turning on your Sentra and accessing the Infotainment screen. Select the smartphone or CarPlay menu, and if prompted, choose Apple CarPlay. For wired setup, plug the cable into the phone and the car USB, then accept permissions on the iPhone. For wireless setup, make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are on, then pair the Sentra from your iPhone Bluetooth page and accept CarPlay on both devices to complete the configuration. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: the Kindle Paperwhite makes waiting in the car or brakes much more enjoyable with a glare-free screen and long battery life, perfect for car camping or road trip reading. I find it handy when I need a break between setup steps. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. If CarPlay does not appear, unplug and replug the cable or toggle Bluetooth on the iPhone. Test with another Apple-certified cable to rule out a faulty wire. Restart the Sentra infotainment system by turning the car off and on, and reboot your iPhone. If the issue persists, reset network settings on the iPhone and then repair Bluetooth and CarPlay. These steps usually resolve most connectivity hiccups and restore full functionality quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.